Okay, this ISE 2022, we are presenting Drop 6. Drop 6 is a pendant loudspeaker with a very stylish design. It can match every venue. It can be painted. It's made from ABS reinforced with fiberglass. We did a very big effort of having a quality sound. We have experience with E-Motos, which is our most successful series of loudspeaker. We sell thousands of them, so we try to match that sound in this loudspeaker as well. Also the ease, we have the ease to install. We have tried to make it easy to install with this kind of steel cords and this grip that can be manually, without any tool, adjusted. Okay? And the same for the connections and the tapping.
Hello, I'm Luis Artigas, I'm the brand manager for WeSpeak. In 2020, in ISE Amsterdam, we launched WeSpeak, our first wireless audio professional solution. Today, in 2022, in ISE Barcelona, we present and launch Glow, our new speaker for WeSpeak range. Glow has 360 degrees speaker, is a 5 inches speaker, and has this amazing and modern design. Glow could be installed as a pendant and in the rail mounting system. Moreover, and thanks to the application, the Glow could work as a bass reinforcement.
In ISE 2022, we are also exhibiting ISE series. ISE series are the successor of ISE series, and we have a 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10 and 12-inch, okay, and a double 8 and double 5 as well. As subwoofers, we have the 15, the 12, and the 10, and a tiny one, which is the 6, to just make installation with the smallest boxes. On the other side, we have made a big effort also to make it easy to install for installers. So you only have to screw an Allen screw to fix it, and repeatable. So it has marks in it, so it easily can be repeated from box to box. So make the perfect installation without any troubles.
VIDA is our new series of digital amplifiers. It will have 2 models. The 24K, it's a total of 2400 watts that we can distribute in the 4 available output channels with total freedom. It can be distributed asymmetrically. Any channel can work in high or low impedance. It has 4 analog inputs, 4 amplified outputs, and 2 auxiliary outputs, and also has 4 Dante inputs and 4 Dante outputs. Internally, it has a very powerful DSP brain. We can process the signals in many ways, but we also have events management with GPIs, GPOs, presets, calendar events. Also, an available application for the end user, compatible with Android and iOS, will be pretty soon available. And there is no desktop application that we need to install to control the amplifier, because it has an embedded web server application, and using just any standard web browser, the configuration can be realized.
Hello everyone. Now I'm going to introduce the new product that we have prepared in Ecler Video to be launched this next June, okay? So to start, we have our HDMI video USB capture device, okay? That's called VioCap4U, okay? Where we want to plug an HDMI media source into the input, a 4K HDMI media input, and we will output it through the USB to be connected to a PC for either recording, for either switching it to a video conference streaming software, okay, or to share it through a stream. Okay, we also have an HDMI loop out, and audio input and output. Then we have our HDMI extender, okay, PO-XPS43, that will allow us to extend an HDMI signal, 4K HDMI signal, up to 30 meters of distance, okay, and also a full HD signal up to 60 meters, okay. Then our audio ecosystem devices that will help integrate our video products with our audio devices. First of all, we have BO-AEXS4, an embedding and de-embedding unit, okay, that will allow you either to extract audio or to insert audio into an HDMI video signal flow, okay. We have various work operation modes. Also, we have audio Euroblock inputs and audio Euroblock and coaxial digital audio outputs, and an HDMI input and output for the video transparency flow. And finally, we have our digital analog converter, okay? That's called BO-DASS4, and is a device, a very straightforward device that will help us interconnect our video products better to our audio ecosystem devices, okay? So what we can do is bring digital audio signals either by coaxial, optical, or ARC, extracting from an HDMI ARC channel, okay, into outputs that are, in one side, Euroblock, stereo balanced signal, RCA stereo unbalanced signal, and cross-convert the digital connectors one to another, that is, optical to coaxial or coaxial to optical.